Okay, so hello and assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Business Valley at Rehan School in Foundation Level Batch 5. So today we are talking about the direction of fear that holds you back, Zoya Nasser. So fear is a natural emotion that everyone experiences. Zoya Nasser explained that fear is not always harmful. It can protect us from danger. However, when fear controls our decision, it can stop us from reaching our true potential. Many people fear failure because they worry about making mistakes or being judged by others. This fear often prevents them from trying new opportunities, even then those opportunities could lead to success and personal growth. Fear of rejection is another common challenge, whether in schoolwork or work or relationship. People often avoid exercising their ideas or feelings because they are afraid for being or turned away. Zoya encouraged us to recognize at fears instead of hiding from them, accepting that fear exists in the first step toward our coming it. Once we understand that we are afraid of, we can being to face it with confidence. Building self-confidence help reduce fear. Every small achievement, no matter how simple, strength our belief in ourselves and prepare us to handle bigger challenges in the future. Stepping outside from comfort zone is essential for growth. Although it may feel uncomfortable at first, trying new experience help you discover your strength and develop resilience over time. Fear often creates negative thoughts that are not based on reality. Replacing these thoughts with positive thinking and focusing on possible success instead of failure can improve our confidence and motivation. Support from family, friends, teachers, or mentors can make a big difference. Encouragement from people who believe in our provides a confidence need to overcome fears and keep moving forward. Every successful person has experienced fear at the same point. The difference is that they choose to act despite being afraid. Courage is not the absence of fear; it is taking action even when fear is present. In constellation, fear should never define your future. By understanding your fear, building confidence, thinking positivity, and taking small but consistent steps on what you can overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Fear may slow you down, but it does not have to hold you back forever. Okay, so this is for all. Thank you so much and